going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. Hope all of you are doing fantastic. I know it's pretty cold, pretty late for a summer fragrance or a freshie to be brought up in this particular weather, but well, maybe I'm a bit late to this game. But today's fragrance that I'm going to discuss about is from the house of Zara. There are a lot of good fragrances from this particular house, and Vibrant Leather is one of their most demanded particular line of fragrances. Now, the fragrance in question today is called Éclat De Bergamote. Look at this beautiful orange box. And right on top of the box, it says a real splash of sparkling freshness. So you can imagine, like, the color itself is beautiful. I would say I'm not a big fan of the orange shade, but this particular one, it did catch my attention when I was at the store, and I really wanted to try it. From the price point, I think this was around, it's shown in euros. It comes down to roughly around $30, but well, it's a very good, cheap price, and something that's very much affordable. And for me personally, although it's a bit cold, I really enjoyed this particular fragrance. Now let's get down to the note breakdown. Oh, by the way, before I go, this is what the front looks like. Of course, you saw it. This is what the back looks like. It's got some fragrance description, the fragrance creator's name. This is what the bottom looks like. And yeah, that's about it. Very simple orange box. And let me get down to the note breakdown first, and then I'm going to show you the bottle and the presentation on that. So on the top notes, you got orange, bergamot, pink pepper. On the mids, you got the tonka bean only. And on the base, it says it's got leather and some woodsy notes. Now guys, let me show you the bottle really quick. This is what the bottle looks like. I don't know if it reminds you of something familiar. Maybe Hermes? I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't own an Hermes as of yet, so maybe sometime later in the year. But this is what the bottle looks like. It's a beautiful, nice, heavy bottle. Feels very solid and premium, and the cap is a magnetic cap. So for $30, you cannot really complain about this particular fragrance. That's what the cap looks like, and yep, that's about it. The liquid is like very pale yellow orangish kind of liquid. I don't know if you can tell the difference on the color, but yeah, that's about it. And at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it, there's like some information written, but you don't really need all that. I have this particular fragrance drying down on a strip of paper, and I'm gonna tell you what I get. On the box, it says sparkling freshness. This is exactly as described on the box itself. It's very bright, very fresh, and the orange in this, the citrus part, especially the orange, comes off really, really nice. It's not like one of those, you call it the lemon pledge, some kind of cleaning kind of stuff. It's not like that. It feels synthetic, but not in a bad way. You feel really nice. And this is an Eau De Parfum concentration, so you expect it to last a while, but then again, for $30, you cannot really complain if it does not perform on you. But as for the leather part, I did not catch any whiff of leather. In the entire time, the last couple of days that I've been wearing this, I do get compliments, but there was no leather, even as it dries down on paper. Skin, forget about leather, like it doesn't even show up, nothing. But even on paper, this thing's been drying down almost like 3 hours now, and yeah, there's no leather in it. But the woodsy part is definitely there. So this orange and bergamot combination is really, really nice. It's very beautifully done. So for me personally, as for the pink pepper, I don't find any warmth or sharpness to it. No hints of spiciness. It just feels like linear citrus, beautiful orangey, citrusy fragrance, perfect for summer and hot days. Yeah, and the woodsy part, like, yeah, you do pick up the woodsy part. You cannot specifically say what kind of woods they put in here, but you do get it. As for the tonka bean, I guess that's kind of giving you like a juicy, creamy kind of part. Like, this fragrance feels very much juicy. It's not one of those dry kind of citruses. Yeah. Even if as I'm smelling it, I mean, I'm salivating kind of. It's very juicy, feels very juicy. It's very nice. So yeah, as for the performance, it lasted on me for roughly 5.5 hours. Barely would it push throughout the 6-hour mark, after which like it sits extremely close to your skin. But what I noticed was like when the temperature rose up. Of course, this is the colder weather, colder time of the year. You do not expect good performance and projection from this fragrance. I'm gonna try it out in summer again. But yeah, it's a very enjoyable fragrance. It's very cheap, very easily available at the stores and also online. You get good discounts sometime. And yeah, you can go for it if you like citrus. I mean, it's pretty much linear. It doesn't break down too much. Can't really complain about this. But like I said, the bottle design and the presentation, and for $30, you really cannot complain. And also like a magnetic cap. I mean, I don't know what to say. If you don't fall for it, I don't know, maybe cheapy hunters, you'll be really pleased with this particular thing. So guys, that was my take on Zara's Vibrant Leather line, Éclat De Bergamote. Let me know in the comment section below if you own this or any other citrus fragrance from the Zara line of fragrances. I'll be really happy. And hey, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I've got a lot of fragrance reviews and more coming up, so please make sure you put the thumbs up on this video if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon too, so that you'll get all the updates whenever I release a new content. Until then guys, stay safe, take care, all the best.